everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu The Seed from the 7th to the 11th of June 2021 on Monday. Nokzola tries hard but failed to impress Mandlovu. Nokzola remained determined to win over Mandlovu. Mandlovu is insistent that she will never welcome nor accept Nokzola as a Bengu on Tuesday. Nokzola is told her stay at the Bengus depend on getting pregnant. Nkululeko wants to confess about Thokozile on Wednesday. Tusheleni tells Lindo he's going to ask Poppy out. Meanwhile, Nomusa wants Poppy against dating Tusheleni. Thokozile is about to run away with Mepo when she is told by the mystery man arrival. She doesn't know that Nkululeko is with him on this day. Tseliwe offers Nokzola a herbal remedy to make her womb fertile and encourage Nokzola to try to have another baby. Thokozile threatens everyone with a gun as she flees in Mazulu's car with baby Mepo on Friday. Nkululeko begs Mandlovu to help him cover the fact that he faked Thokozile's death. Phakade and Sebenzile grow closer and nearly kiss. Guys, this is all I have for, so that you can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.